Thanks for checking out Hemlock Mountain Outdoors. I'm Kurt, and going to talk about DIY components. I've added some new stuff to the website, and I want to talk about that. I've been mentioning in the past few videos I want to start adding more. About 2 weeks ago, I added some zipper pulls, some single tab zipper pulls. They're YKK. They're up on the website. And just recently, actually just today, I've added a couple new things. So, first thing we're going to talk about, grass grain ribbon. 5/8 inch, see if the camera will focus on that, 5/8 inch ribbon. I use this for hammock tie outs. You can use it for tarp tie outs. You can use it for all kinds of things. You can use it for edging. It works great for all different projects. This is sold in 25-foot sections, and right now I've got it in black, I've got it in brown, and I've got it in orange. Because as I've been talking to people about bringing new products in, especially for DIY, people have been saying they're having a hard time finding colors at affordable prices, which I understand that too. And it's not easy. I can understand why. This is imported. If I can find a U.S. manufacturer that can sell it to me for a price that doesn't break the bank, I'll maybe add some made in USA. But as of right now, it is imported. But it is very high quality. There's no problems with it. It just isn't made in the US. At least the stuff I can find right now. I am looking at adding new colors. So if you have colors in mind that you're looking for, let me know and I'll see what I can do to get them. So this is sold at $250 per section. Again, 25-foot sections, and more colors are coming. So that is one new thing. If you're looking for ribbon, of course I had to add the orange. I have orange on everything. The next thing that I've got, and I've got a bunch of it here, is, let's see, which one am I grabbing here first? Coil zipper, nylon coil zipper. So this is number 3. This particular one is non-branded import, made in China zipper coil. This is being sold by the foot. Right now I've got it in black, and I'm selling this for 25 cents a foot. Now, very excited right now to announce the other zipper coil that I've got, and I put some of this up on the website too. Now, it's not gonna, in the video, it's not gonna really look any different. But trust me, this is coming from a completely different spool. This is UCAN. This is an American company. They're based, operate, and manufacture right out of Los Angeles. So made in USA zipper coil. And if I get this a little closer, as you can see, this is the UCAN. That's the made in USA. That's the made in China. Let me see if I can get to, you kind of see at the top here, there's a little bit of fraying on this one. It's just in the way the ribbon's made. This is the China, this is the made in USA. And I'm trying to get a good line up here in the light so you can see kind of the difference in the fabric. The UCAN is definitely using a nicer yarn here for the ribbon. It's not really showing up on the camera. But I got these both available. If you're looking to save some money, and I mean a little bit of, once this is all, well, you can see how that frayed up as I just pulled it. It's easy enough to clean up if you use a little bit of heat. I sew up the ends, so it doesn't make really that much of a difference. The UCAN doesn't really have that problem. So if you're looking to save a little money, I'm selling the imported at 25 cents a foot, and I got the new made in USA UCAN up on the website for 35 cents a foot. This I can get in any color that I want. All I gotta do is send them the color information, and they make it for me as I order. So right now I got just the black up for sale, but again, looking to bring in more colors. I don't know about the zipper pulls. They may stay black. Maybe I'll get some silver ones, just some plain ones. Maybe I'll get some color ones. But it's easier to get just the zipper coil in black. To get the pulls as well, there's got to be a lot of interest in colored pulls. So, zipper coil. Yeah, I'm really excited to announce that UCAN zipper. Whenever possible, I'll try to use made in USA. Try to support American companies. YKK is made in US, but the company I use is a local company I use to get my YKK, and sometimes I hear back from them, sometimes I don't, and I can't really wait sometimes. And the last time, by the time I heard back from them, they were out of Zipper, and I had to find something new. That's when I started searching, and I found UCAN, and I reached out to them. They've been great, always getting back in touch with me, great communication. And when I order this, it takes maybe 2 weeks to get it, but they make it as I order it. So if I need colors, I can give them the colors, and then they'll make it for me and send it. So if you're looking for a colored zipper, let me know what colors you're looking for, and I will see if I can get that made. That shouldn't be a problem. So very excited. More stuff coming as I'm trying to bring more and more stuff in. So as that comes in, I will announce it. What are you looking for in materials? I might start looking at offering fabric, but I don't know. I don't. This is my shop. I don't have a lot of storage space, so I don't know about the fabrics. And there's other fabrics out there that everybody knows and uses. Do I need to add more fabric into the fray? I don't know. If I can find something that kind of changes things up, maybe. But right now, I don't know if I have any interest in doing that. But never say never, right? So let me know, what are you guys looking for in components? I know what I have a hard time finding. What do you guys have a hard time finding? It sounds like colors, things in colors are what people are having a hard time with. And again, I can understand that, because how much do you stock up on stuff that you may or may not sell or may not use? But let me know down in the comments, and if I can get it for you, if I can get it in small quantities, I'll get you whatever you need, or try to at least. Thanks for checking out the video. Keep your eyes open for more components and other things. That I got some other stuff I'm working on with the company, so we'll see how that goes. And fingers crossed, right? So thanks for checking out the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stop by Hemlock Mountain Outdoors, check out the components, and I will see you on the trail.